is up, teachers and students? Today we are going to take a look at how to install and use the Natural Readers Chrome extension. First thing we want to do is find that Chrome Web Store. You can just open up a Google browser and type that in there, Chrome Web Store. Website is chromewebstore.google.com. Once you land here, we're going to go up to the search extensions and themes, and we're going to type Natural Readers and enter to search. Top one that came up there is what we're looking for, so we're going to click on that one time, and then we are going to click on Add to Chrome. We're in a little pop-up window here. Yes, we want to add the extension. All right, Natural Reader text-to-speech has been added to Chrome. So what we are going to do is we're going to go up here to our little extension menu, this puzzle piece, up here at the far right side of the Omnibox. And we're going to click that one time, and then right here where our new Natural Reader Chrome extension is, we're going to click that little pin one time to pin it up to our bar. All right, now we have our extension added. Let's go ahead and go over to a website and test this out here. So I'm on a news website, and I'm just going to go up here to the Natural Readers, click that one time. See, the first time I'm launching it here, it's asking me to choose a voice. Got that voice selected. We've already done this, right? So we're good. We do not need to register. We're just going to click skip there. And now I'm here on this website, and I want this to read this for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here to an article, click one time to turn that on. Notice now it just pops right up. I've got a settings wheel if I want to go back and change anything, but all I have to do now is press play, and it's going to start reading the website.
Israel, Hezbollah locked an open-ended battle of reckoning.
Click down here if I want
Almost
to jump
200 people are now known to have died, and more could have perished in what has become the deadliest.
All right, that's how easy it is. Now what I need is for a bunch of y'all to start testing this out for me, please, and give me feedback if this is working or not working. Please let me know. Appreciate you. Have a great day.